Good morning, students. Welcome to today class. Today we will discuss intelligence, learning objective of our today class. After this presentation, learner will be able to define the intelligence, demonstrate and understanding the concept of the measurement of intelligence, describe the characteristics of the test. These are the today's learning objective. First, we will discuss intelligence definition. Intelligence came from Latin word intelligere, to understand. Now we will discuss Bachelor definition. He present his definition in 1994. Intelligence is the aggregate or global capacity of the individual to think rationally, to act purposefully, and to deal effectively with environment. Next definition of intelligence we will discuss Law Lurto in 1991. Intelligence is the ability to master the knowledge and skills needed to succeed within particular culture. Nature of intelligence, it is an innate mental ability which grow and influenced by the environment. It is show the capacity to adapt to newer changed situation quickly and correctly. It is the ability to carry on higher mental process such as reasoning, criticism, rational, and judgment. It shows the capacity to observe the relationship and absurdities. It implies the capacity to learn and solve difficult tasks and problems. Types of intelligence. We have three types of intelligence. Intelligence is divided into three kinds: concrete intelligence, social or emotional intelligence, abstract or general intelligence. We will discuss in brief all these three types of intelligence. First, we will discuss concrete intelligence. The concrete intelligence uh, types of intelligence is applicable for using machine, tool, and instrument. For example, engineers are concrete intelligent. Social intelligence, it is the ability to understand social situation and act wisely in human relationship. Socially intelligent people know the art of winning friends and influence them. For example, leaders, ministers, salesmen, uh, diplomats are socially intelligent. The third one is abstract and general intelligence. It is the ability to respond to words, numbers, and letters, etc. This type of intelligence is required from study of books, literature. Mm, For example, teacher, lawyer, doctor, and philosopher. So we have three types of intelligence: concrete intelligence, social intelligence, abstract or general intelligence. Concurrent intelligence related to machine, social intelligence related to social relationship, social behavior, or abstract intelligence respond to word, numbers, words, and letter, etc. Emotional intelligence, first called social intelligence, the ability pursue, express, understand, and regulate emotion. Some studies show the EQ to be a greater predictor for further success of than IQ. It is the basis of the empathy of for others, uh, self-awareness, and social skills. Example: eye contact, flexibility, and cooperation. It help in building the therapeutic relationship with the patient or with the uh, solve the problem of the student, or we can say ki, emotionally attached with the student. Intelligence quotient IQ. I refers to intelligence or Q refers to quotient. The observation IQ was coined by the psychological William Stream. The idea of intelligence quotient was utilized first in 1916 by Binet and Simon Test. Binet and Simon used mental age to distinguish bright from dull children. IQ is the ratio between the mental age and chronicle age. IQ equal to mental age divided by chronicle age into 100. This is the formula of uh, intelligent quotient. This is very important formula. You should write down in your notebook. For example, a 6-year-old boy with mental age of 4, the IQ of 4 is the mental age, and chronological age divided by 6 and into 100 equals to 66.6 IQ of the 6-year-old boy. The classification of individual according to IQ, genius 140 above IQ, very superior 130 to 140 IQ, superior 120 to 130 IQ, above average 110 to 120 IQ, average 19 to 110 IQ, dull average 80 to 90 average, borderline 70 to 80 IQ, mild mental retardation 50 to 70 IQ, moderate mental 35 to 50 IQ, severe mental 20 to 35 IQ, and last 0 to 20 IQ. This is the classification of individual according to IQ. The children, those perform more than average of their age, have IQ more than 100, and those perform less than average of their age have IQ less than 100. Multiple intelligence according to Howard Gardner, there are 8 type of intelligence. The theory of multiple intelligence differentiate human intelligence into specific modalities rather than seeing intelligence as dominated by a single journal ability. Howard Gardner proposed this model in 1983 book Frame of Mind. The theory of multiple intelligence. Now we will discuss grander multiple intelligence, 8 type of intelligence: visual or spatial intelligence, verbal or linguistic intelligence, logical or uh, mathematically intelligence, bodily uh, bodily intelligence, musical or uh, with rhythm make intelligence, interpersonal intelligence or intrapersonal intelligence or natural intelligence. These 8 types of intelligence suggested by the Gardner in 1983. Uh, Theories of intelligence. Uh, there are two main theory regarding to intelligence. Every approach come up with his own uh, respect, perfection, perception of assumptions. So उसका ओन परसेप्शन कैसा है और assumption कैसा है, उसके आधार पर जो थ्योरी डिस्कस करेंगे. Factor theories of intelligences. First, two-factor theory or G-factor theory. Second, group factor or multi-factor theory. Next, process-oriented theories of intelligence. Strain Burgess try Charik theory. Two factors or G factor theory. Two factor theory was developed by Charles Spearman, father of factor analysis, in 1927. Intellectual ability were comprised of two factors: one, general ability or common ability, known as G factor, and the other group of specific ability known as S factor. G factor is universal in born ability. Greater G is an individual lead to greater success in life. S factor is acquired from the environment. It varies from activity to um, activity and some in the some individuals. G factor theory. Uh, S factor is acquired from the environment. It varies from activity to activity in the same individual. This specific ability may be uh, represented as S1, S2, S3, etc. According to this theory, an individual's total intelligence A is the sum of the general factor G and all his specific ability S. This can be expressed as A is equal to G plus S1 plus S2 plus S3 and so on. So these are the formula of uh, individual total intelligence. Now we will compare between G factor versus X factors. G factor, it is universal inborn ability. S factor learn and acquired from the environment. G it is general mental ability. As there are specific ability. Uh, G it is constant in one individual, as it is varies from activity to activity in same individual. G factor different from individual to individual, and S factor individuals different in the amount of S ability. Mm, So these are the different in G factor and S factor. Group factor or group factor or multi-factor theory. Uh, this theory was advocated by L.L. Thurston Stone in 1938. This theory rejected general intelligence. This theory consider intelligence a combination of nervous uh, numerous disparate uh, 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 separate factors. So this theory is consider intelligence a combination of uh, numerous separate factors. Instead of viewing intelligence as a single journal ability. Uh, Thurston theory focused on uh, seven primary mental ability. Curious stone seven factor, the verbal factor found in test involving verbal comprehension. The spatial factor ability to imagine an object in space. The number factor ability to do numerical calculation rapidly and accurately. Memory factor involving ability to memorize quickly. The reasoning factor found in tasks that require a subject to discover a rule or principle involved in a series or group of letters. The perceptual factor ability to perceive object accurately. What is according to your perception? The problem solving factor ability to solve problems independently. Based on these factor, Thurston constructed a new test of intelligence known as test of primary mental ability. P for primary, M for mental, A for ability. Process oriented theory. The process oriented theories uh, tends to focus on the development of intellectual process, that how the process change as individual uh, matters, focused on cognitive development rather than intelligence. Process oriented theories given by the Jean Piaget and Brunner. Uh, Piaget theory of cognitive development. According to Piaget, intelligence is an adaptive process. Piaget viewed intellectual development as an evolution of cognitive process, such as understanding the laws of nature, the principle of grammar, and mathematical rules. He focused on schema, assimilation, and accommodation. Brunner theory. This going ability are influenced by the environment, especially the rewards and punishment pupil receive the particular intellectual skills it construct uh, to Piaget. Werner agreed that any subject can be taught effectively to any child at any stage of development. For example, it would not be appropriate to teach a 3-year-old complex physics. However, Werner contained that they could be taught some principle of physics in inactive form and later repeat in iconic than symbolic form. Uh, Steinberg tricharic theory, uh, three aspect of intelligence, uh, componential theory, analytical thinking, book smart, experimental experiential thinking, creative thinking, and categorize the person who can separate element of expression and combine them insightfully. Contextual, uh, street smart, one who know to play the game and can successfully manipulate the environment. Sternberg theory emphasizes how three types of ability work together to create intelligence behavior. Theory can be divided in three parts: analytical, compare, evaluation, and analysis; creative, insight, synthesizes, adapting in unique situation; practical, dealing with everyday task, uh, relating environment. Characteristic of Stanford Binet test. The Stanford Binet intelligence skills are designed to measure five factors of cognitive ability. These five factors include reasoning, knowledge, uh, quantitative reasoning, visual practical processing, working memory. Both verbal and non-verbal responses are measured. Some other features these tests measure things that are necessary for school success. BNet test is a set of age graded items. Uh, BNet assumed that children's ability increase with age. Fluid reasoning is the ability to solve abstract problem in which no prior knowledge is required. Mm, Now, non-verbal fluid reasoning is tested with object series matrices. Verbal absurdities are simple statements that are uh, silly or impossible. For example, an apple is to fruit as clarity is to everyone. What is wrong with uh, sentence like I put into on my hairbrush and clean my teeth? So these are the example of fluid reasoning. Knowledge is the defined as someone accumulated stock of the journal information that has been be committed to long term memory. For example, a young test subject might be asked to explain basic human needs like eating using a gesture. Mm, the verbal uh, subtests include vocabulary questions which may be administered using toys or flashcard. For example, explain different uh, different scenes between a between a fish and horse. Quantitative reasoning measure a person numeracy. Question in this section can be include basic counting, addition, and subtraction. At higher level, measurement, geometric, and word problem are included. Math concept are presented in the both verbal and non-verbal format. For example, IQ question uh, 7 6. Uh, as you are watching in my PPT, 7 into 6 plus 3 is equal to 45. 8 into 8 plus 1, 65. 9 into 8 plus 3, 75. 4 into 6 plus 9 is equal to 35. The correct answer is option A, sorry, 33. 33. The correct answer is option D. Visual spatial processing. Visual spatial processing involves the recognition of both pattern and spatial relationship. The non-verbal portion of this subtask usually includes assembling puzzles and patterns. The verbal portion include question about direction and test subject ability to identify spatial relationship and pictures. For example, IQ test, which of the following is different from others? A, B, C, D, and E. B is the different because uh, the only one is shape, the outer and inner shape are the same, while the other are the different shapes. Working memory. Working memory is defined as the multiple process that capture short and transform information in person in short term memory. For example, like game uh, concentration, a test subject might be asked to recall previously presented picture. Black span simply involve taping out a sequence or series of books and asking the test subject repeat the sequences. Factor influencing intelligence, nature, how genetic and heredity factor our intelligence, genetic and gender. Nature, uh, from immediate environment of through out of the life, pre and uh, postnatal uh, diet, family environment, uh, school environment, socio-economic status of the family, uh, race. These are the factor influencing our memory. Sorry, intelligence. Intelligence factor, biological factor, physic, nervous system, sociological factor, home, school, language, culture, psychological factor, intelligence, motivation, emotion, attitude, interest. These are the factor influencing our memory. Hereditary and environment factor, land and seed used to grow the crop, while the seed is heredity and the land is environment. If the land is infertile, even the good seed, one cannot have a good crop. Similarly, with the fertile land, if the poor quality seed are used, the crop will not achieve the good result. As the fertile land and good quality seeds are required to good crop, similarly the heredity and stimulating environment are the necessary for higher intelligence. Schooling, attending schooling make children smarter. Children from families of low socioeconomic societies and those from families of high socioeconomic societies make comparable uh, gains in school achievement during their school years. Poverty, the more year children spend in poverty, the lower their IQs tend to be. The children from lower and working class women average 10 to 15 points below their middle class age matter on IQ test. In many countries, children from home scored, score better on IQ than children from poor homes. Intelligence in student, knowledge about intelligence its measurement is useful in the understand the student herself and colleges as well as the teacher. The teacher guidance to the student would be according to the student intellectual level. Knowledge about intelligence help the student in diagnosis the student problem. It is help in maintaining empathy, but avoid emotional attachment. With higher level of emotional intelligence, teachers are better able to adapt and understand the need of their student. They can also better cope with the stress emotionally and improve their social skills. These are the reference of our today class. Now time for MCQs. Intelligence came from the word intelligier, to understand. Option A Latin, option B Hindi, option C English, option D none. Correct answer is option A Latin. Intelligence come from the Latin word intelligier. Next MCQ. Who said that the intelligence is the aggregate or global capacity of an individual to think rationally, to act purposefully, and to deal effectively with the environment? Option A Bachelor, option B Bacon, option C Strindberg and O her, option D Crown and Crown. Correct answer is option A Bachelor. Next MCQs. Intelligence is an filling the blanks ability which grow and influenced by the environment. Option A immediate mental, option B learners, option C curious, and option D open minded. Correct answer is innate mental. Intelligence is an innate mental ability which grow and influenced by the environment. Next MCQ. Filling the blanks is defined as the multiple process that capture, sort and transform information in a person's short-term memory. Option A working memory, option C concrete intelligence, option C social intelligence, option D none. Correct answer is option A working memory. Working memory is defined as the multiple process that capture, sort and transform information in a person short-term memory. Next MCQs. Filling the blanks is defined as someone accumulated shock of journal information that has been be committed to long-term memory. Option A knowledge, option B concrete intelligence, option C social intelligence, option D none. Correct answer is option A knowledge. Knowledge is defined as the someone accumulated a stock of journal information that has been be committed to long-term memory. Next MCQs. Uh, Multi-factor theory was developed by filling the blanks in 1938. LL Houston, uh, Bacon, option B, option C, Steinberg, uh, O, her, option D, Crow and Crow. Correct answer is option A, LL Houston. Next MCQs. Filling the blanks, reasoning, measure a person numeracy. Option A quantitative, option B concrete intelligence, option C social intelligence, D none of the above. Correct answer is option A quantitative reasoning, measure the person numeracy. Next MCQs. Filling the blanks is the ability to solve abstract problem in which no prior knowledge is required. Option A, quantitative. Option B, crude reasoning. Option C, social intelligence. Option D, none. Correct answer is option B, crude reasoning. Crude reasoning is the ability to solve abstract problem in which no prior knowledge is required. Next MCQs. IQ is the ratio between the age and chronological age. Option A mental, option B actual, option C real, uh, option D none. Correct answer is A option mental. The IQ is the ratio between mental age and chronological age. Next MCQs. According to filling the blanks, intelligence is an adaptive process. Option A Piaget, Bacon, option C, Sternberg and O. Her, option D, Crow and Crow. Correct answer is option A, Piaget. According to Piaget, intelligence is an adaptive process. Thank you, student. Have a good day.